Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. I know exactly why you're here. Every single time, you come looking for free AI tools that actually work. Tools that can help you create content, grow faster, and stay ahead of everyone else. And I read your comments. So many of you keep asking the same question. Sir, where do you find these kinds of AI tools? How do you always discover tools that others don't talk about? So today, I'm finally going to answer that. But before that, I want you to look carefully at this channel on your screen. This type of channel is absolutely next level. These shorts don't just perform well, they go viral within days, pulling in millions of views, sometimes numbers that don't even feel real. And here's the shocking part. There's no face, no voice, no expensive camera, no complex animation team. Everything you're seeing is created using simple AI tools. And yes, most of them are completely free. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how this content is made. I'll show you which AI tools are used, how the visuals are generated, how the animation works, and how everything is put together step by step. If you're someone who wants to start a faceless YouTube Shorts channel, or you want to create viral AI content without spending money, this video is for you. So don't skip. Watch till the end. Because once you understand this workflow, you'll realize that creating viral content with AI is no longer luck, it's strategy. Just use ChatGPT to create free prompts. Yes, my friend, that's it. Today, I'm going to guide you through completely free AI tools. No paid plans, no subscriptions, no complicated setup, just simple tools that actually work. You don't need any special skills, you don't need experience, and you definitely don't need to write difficult prompts. Here's exactly what you do. Simply open ChatGPT, paste a screenshot of the style you want, and write one simple line. I want to create this type of animated short. Please give me a prompt. That's all. You don't need professional prompt knowledge. You don't need technical words. You don't need to worry about grammar or language. ChatGPT understands everything, any language, any style, any idea. It learns from your input and generates an amazing, ready-to-use prompt for you. You can change the wording however you like, short or long, simple or detailed. ChatGPT will adjust automatically and give you the best possible result. This is why creating animated shorts with AI is now easier than ever. No effort, no stress, just creativity. So relax, enjoy the process, and start creating viral animated content for free. Now, let's move to the website. Its name is Design Arena. Yes, my friends, this is an absolutely amazing platform. This single website gives you the power of GPT-level intelligence, Hilo AI, Seedance AI, and many other advanced AI technologies, all combined in one simple tool. And now listen carefully, because this is the most important part. There are no credits, no daily limits, no credit cards, no payments, no hidden charges. Nothing is required. This platform is completely, totally, 100% free. You can generate AI images, create AI videos, experiment with different styles, and explore everything freely, without spending a single dollar. No sign-up stress, no trials ending, no surprise paywalls. Just open the website and enjoy the power of AI. If you've ever wanted to test, learn, or create AI content without fear of limits, this tool is perfect for you. Stay with me, because in the next step, I'll show you exactly how to use Design Arena to create viral AI content in minutes. Now, let's start with the image section. First, I simply click on it. Then I paste the prompt we created earlier and click on Generate. That's all it takes. Usually, the image is ready in about 1 minute. And once the result appears, the platform gives us two different outputs, Model A and Model B. Even though the prompt is exactly the same, both models create completely different and unique images. And honestly, the results look amazing. Now, I don't stop there. I generate the images again. Then I generate them one more time. So in total, I generate images 3 times using the same tool, testing different variations and exploring different styles. Every single time, the results are new, fresh, and visually impressive. You can clearly see in this video how each generation looks different and how much creative freedom this tool gives you. And remember, all of this is done totally free. No cost, no credits, no payment. You can generate images again and again without worrying about limits. This is what makes this platform so powerful. It lets you experiment freely until you get the perfect result. Next, I'll show you how to take these images and convert them into animated videos using the same free process. Now let's move into the video section. I know you've been waiting for this part. So first, I simply click on the video tab. I paste the same prompt and then I click on Generate. The system usually says it will take around 5 minutes. But believe me, when you actually try it, it usually takes only 2 minutes. And wait, let me correct myself. It doesn't generate just one video. It generates 2 videos. Yes, 2 full AI videos at the same time. If you try this on any paid AI platform, this alone would cost you a lot of money. But here, it's completely free. The results are generated using Model A and Model B. Both models create different videos, different styles, different energy. And honestly, both look amazing. Now, I want you to tell me something. Go to the comments section and let me know. Which one do you like more? Model A or Model B? According to me, Model A is slightly better because it also generates audio, which is a huge bonus. But in the end, it totally depends on your needs and your style. Then I try another prompt. I paste it again, and once again, both models generate incredible results. At this point, I literally say, "Oh my God, this is boom." Yes, total boom. Why boom? Because this tool keeps creating amazing videos again and again without stopping. I try another prompt, then another, and then another one. And every single time, the output is impressive. Many of you always comment, "Sir, these tools are paid. Sir, they will ask for credits. Sir, they will block us." But not this one. No credits, no limits, no temporary emails. Just log in with any email you want and start creating. No tricks, no hidden conditions, no payments. Just pure AI power. Totally free. This is why I call this tool a game changer for anyone who wants to create AI videos without spending money.